In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and use a new font in Adobe XD. If you've been looking to spice up your design projects with unique typography, you're in the right place. Let's delve into the process of selecting, installing, and then applying a font, step by step, to make your Adobe XD designs truly stand out. Start by navigating to the Google Fonts website. Google Fonts is a robust library filled with a wide array of fonts perfect for any design need. Browse through their collection and pick a font that captures your style or suits your project. Whether it's the clean lines of Roboto, the modern appeal of Montserrat, or another font that catches your eye, there's something for everyone. Once you find your desired font, proceed to download it by clicking on the Download Family button. This will save the font files, which could be in .ttf or .otf format, to your computer. If the files come zipped, unzip them to access the font files directly. This preparation is crucial for smooth installation later on. Next, let's install the font on your system. If you're using Windows, right-click on the font file, and you'll see an option that says Install. Choose this option, or Install for all users, if that's more appropriate for your needs. The installation will automatically place the font into the system's fonts folder, found under C+ Windows/fonts. On Mac OS, the process is equally simple. Double-click the font file, which will open it in the FontBook application. In FontBook, click Install Font, and the system will integrate it with all your programs. Once these steps are completed, the font will be available to all apps, like Adobe XD. Many design communities confirm that XD indeed loads all fonts installed on your operating system. Now that the font is installed, let's make it part of your Adobe XD toolkit. Open Adobe XD. If it was open while you installed the font, you'll need to restart it. This ensures the new font registers properly. Within your XD file, either select an existing text object or create a fresh one. In the Font drop-down menu, scroll through until you spot your newly installed font. Select it to apply the font style to your text object. You can then go ahead and create text styles, character styles, and more, utilizing your chosen font across your project. With this new addition to your Adobe XD environment, your designs can truly shine with personalized typography. There you have it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and used a new font in Adobe XD. Now you're ready to creatively enhance your design projects with fresh typography. Happy designing, and be sure to explore the vast options in Google Fonts for future projects.